Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing a ladder. It's a telescopic ladder. I figured that'd be the best thing to do for an RV. I want to eliminate that one. I want to get rid of it. But I am going to leave something attached to the top though, so that I can attach this new ladder to the top of that in case I'm up there by myself or it's windy one day. I don't want the ladder to fall on me. That wouldn't be good, or me being stuck up there. So yeah, I decided to get this ladder. It's kind of heavy though. I didn't realize it was going to be so heavy. I got the bigger one. It weighs probably 28 pounds. It's the 14.5 foot ladder, so it should be plenty tall enough to get me up there and be able to maneuver around stuff and get to an awning without having to climb on the roof every time, risking a seal leak. This is better, a lot better. And I don't have to worry about a bear climbing up my ladder either when I'm out boondocking up in Pennsylvania mountains. Anyway, but the brand name is Findmall. It's aluminum. Load capacity is 330 pounds. Maximum height 150 inches. So yeah, everything's all good. This one weighs 28.9 pounds. So I think I'm going to crack it open, see what it looks like, test it out. I hope it doesn't bow too much. A lot of these write-ups on these collapsible retractable ladders, they like the bow. And also, I didn't like the 2-button ones where you have to push both buttons and they come slamming down so hard, you know, you rip your finger off. This one I got comes down slowly with, it must have some type of a shock absorber inside of the ladder or something. Maybe that's why it's so heavy. But it's one button and it's supposed to come down very slowly. But they also said that those ones were weaker than the other ones. I took a chance. 127 bucks off Amazon. But yeah, let's get cracking this thing open. Well, there it is. It's just laying in the box. I just cut the whole lid off and opened it up to show. Not really much packaging, but I mean, it's a ladder. I don't see how it's going to get hurt. That feels pretty durable. This rubber boot. Directions on it. Huh. Not too bad. Some up here. I thought it was one button. Why did I get a 2-button? Wow. Kidding? I don't know. They gave me the wrong. Oh well. We'll see. We'll see what's with it. But yeah, I'll get it the rest of the way out here and show you what it looks like out of the bag and the styrofoam. There it is out of the box. That's the back side of it. Directions are up here. I read the direction, it still says that it's one button, but why are there two? I didn't want the one that slams down. We'll see when we take it apart. There's the front. I'm going to take, looks like he's got a strap here to hold it on. It's 30 pounds, 28 pounds. It'll fit right in the back here. It might even fit where I just took my air conditioner out. I might be able to make some up and slide it right up on the top. Or even on the side. Or no, not air conditioner, my generator. Yeah, let's open it up. Pull a couple ladders out, bring them down. Get them directions out, look them over. Well, I won't be giving a very good review on this one. I mean, it's a good ladder, but it's the wrong one. They sent me the wrong ladder. It's even got the wrong directions in the box. The directions that they gave me are the one that is for the ladder that they make another ladder like this that is like a tripod. You can it bends in the middle. I wanted the 1-button one. They gave me the directions for the other one, and they gave me the double switch. There's only supposed to be one button here, so you got to take both hands and slide it down like that instead of it coming down slowly, was what I wanted. I'm going to check the price difference on those two ladders. If there's a big price difference, I might do something about it, but if not, I'll just deal with this one. I already retracted it all the way up to the top. It's a pretty sturdy ladder. It's just it's not the one I wanted. Wrong directions and everything. See, right here's the picture. This is the directions for this one. That's not even the one I ordered. I ordered a single button, retractable, so it came down really slow, but I guess that's the problem with ordering online. Then you gotta deal with taking it back. I'll probably just keep it. I'm gonna see a price difference on it. It seems pretty strong. It's not what I bought though, that's for sure. It's even showing how to put the legs together. The one I ordered doesn't have these legs, but it's showing you how to put them together. It's definitely showing a double lock position here too that I didn't want. Oh well, I'm not gonna complain. It seems pretty sturdy. I walked it all the way up. So it's definitely tall enough. It's definitely tall enough for this RV. You're not supposed to be doing that. I pulled it up with one hand. You're not supposed to do that. They all have to be extended all the way up. Leave the ones that are collapsed in the bottom. But yeah, it doesn't seem like too bad of a ladder, I guess. I'm just not happy I didn't get the right one. Well, this is me on it. There's not a lot of flex to it. I'm like 205, 210, something like that. This holds 330 pounds. This style. Oh, not too bad though. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna do something up here. I want to make a latch. I'm taking all this off. I'm cutting these, and I'm gonna leave this section up probably to here. And I'm gonna make something I can latch this ladder onto this. So, like I said, if I'm here by myself or something, I don't want to fall, or worst of all, have the wind take the ladder out. I'd be sitting up there all day. Here's the view. Little throughway coming right at you. I got people honking all the time on campers. Some of them look familiar, like I seen them on YouTube or something. Never wanted to ask them. Kind of fog, you can't see the lake today. My view every day, all the way over there. I'll zoom in a little bit. This camera doesn't have very good zoom. And there you have it. Well, there it is, completely extended all the way up. It's plenty tall enough, and it's a pretty sturdy ladder. It is. I just didn't want the double button, I wanted the single button. That's where they messed up at. They gave me the double button. I don't know why. But it's plenty tall enough. Plenty. I think I'm 11'9". And it's 1999 already. I don't think that's what it is. That's to the top of my air conditioners. So this is a 14.5-foot ladder. That's plenty. Those are plenty. It's aluminum. I can put it back. Find a spot for it now. My two bays back here go all the way through. It'll fit right in there perfect. Fold it up, that's for sure. Or if I just rip the generator out, I'll put something up in there on the roof and slide it up in there. I gotta make it easy to get to though. And, definitely gotta take this other ladder off. And, make some type of connection up there where it'll lock there, it'll stay, it won't move. Well, hey, thanks for watching. It's not what I wanted, but it's gonna work. I'm not gonna worry about it. They can't be that much of a price difference. I'll have to look that up. Cruise Master. Enjoy your travels, fellow RVers. Start filming some of the places I go. I don't do that a lot. I just go places and hang out. Not a lot of filming. But enjoy, like, subscribe. There'll be many more. See if I can show you it working a little bit here. Set the camera up somewhere. This thing will be in good shape here. The strap comes with a Velcro strap. Seems to hold it. I gotta have it every time I want to pick it up though. I want to grab the rung here. Make sure you grab it down here. Just to have it, you know, grab the ladders. Seems pretty sturdy though, everything else. We'll see. don't like how loud it is when it comes down either. Man, I wanted that one button push. Everything happens for a reason. Maybe the other one was junk. Let's see. Must stop wherever you start. There you have it. Wanted the one pushing, but oh well.